All right, so I'm gonna try to film this video. I don't know how it's gonna go. I usually do voiceovers just because I have a 17-month-old child who is in here with me all of the time. Right now he's playing, but I came on here because I wanna talk to you guys about the Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System. Okay, so this was sent to me, you guys. Sent to me to try, okay? I'm in love. I'm in love. Plain and simple. I knew this wasn't. Hey, come here. Look here. He loves the Duvolle too. Okay, so this system is incredible at getting your pores like unclogged and leaving your skin super, super clean and just giving you that all around deep clean feel. Because that's what it's doing. It's definitely deep cleaning your skin. So the other day I tried this out on TikTok for the first time. It was a blind reaction. Excuse me. It was a blind reaction. I took off all of my makeup using a makeup remover and like a makeup remover cloth. So that was double the makeup removal. And then I went in with the Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System. You guys, I kid you not, there was so much trapped makeup that I could not see on my skin, and that was not coming off with the makeup remover. It was insane. Show them the Duvolle Skin Care System. Show them. See, this is the Duvolle Radiant Skin Care System. Say it. Hey guys. So the Radiant Skin Care System comes with 4 attachments. One is a pumice stone, one is a body brush, one is an exfoliant facial brush, and then one is just a facial cleansing brush. So it comes like this. There's an off and on switch. And then you just put your attachment right on there. This is waterproof, which is great, so you can take it in the shower with you. And then the attachments literally just click right on. And there you go. This is the body brush. Just so you guys know, I am not being paid to say any of this stuff about Duvolle and about this Radiant Skin Care System. This is just my own personal opinion about this product. And also, they did give me a code for you guys to get some money off. I do not make anything from that code. It's literally just a good deal for you guys. So the Duvolle Radiant Skin Care System is regularly $95, but if you use my code BEAUTY, I will put it on the screen right here, you can save and it drops down to literally $28.50, you guys. $28.50. Regularly $95.
Regularly $95.
So that is just a code for you guys to get this Radiant Skin Care System for way cheaper. I do not make anything from that code. But yeah, so go ahead and stick around and I'll do a little demo of what I mean, because this product is seriously amazing.